Hi everyone, here we've got HOMTOM S9 Plus, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device. So actually how to manage it. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the accounts section. Right now we have to tap on add account, choose obviously Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and you will be able to receive all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so simply tap on accept, and as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Obviously you can remove it whenever you want to, just tap on it. And here we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see here, we've got the remove account option, so let's tap on it and tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it immediately disappears, so it means that we just successfully removed actually everything which was connected to this Google account. So actually that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your HOMTOM S9 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.